Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's assembly. It's the 5th of November, and so the celebration that we are looking at today is Bonfire Night. And we are going to be looking at the idea of showing consideration to other people at this particular time of the year. So, Bonfire Night, you probably know the story. We hold Bonfire Night because Guy Fawkes, who was a Catholic conspirator who was going to blow up the Houses of Parliament in London in 1605, well, he was stopped in his attempt to carry out that act. He was potentially going to kill the king at the time and any other people who were in the Houses of Parliament. And what he was going to do was he was going to blow the whole place up, which would have been really, really unfortunate and horrible for the people who were in the House of Parliament at the time. And so it was agreed that it was a really good thing that the plot was discovered and that Guy Fawkes was stopped from ever doing it. And so Bonfire Night is held to celebrate the fact that the plot didn't go ahead and that lots of people's lives were saved, including the king's. You'll probably have experience of going to bonfire events. You may be holding one tonight. Every year we get very excited about the idea of celebrating Bonfire Night. We can have lots of fun, but fireworks can be dangerous and they can be very, very noisy too. I've got a poem to share with you and see if any of this rings true for you. So, Bonfire Night is special and can be lots of fun. Oh, so much excitement for both old and young. Never get too near though, keep well away. Fireworks can hurt you and should not be used for play. Injuries can happen when they first explode. Remember, remember, remember the firework code. Enjoy your fireworks and join in the fun. Not forgetting though how they can be frightening for some. Infants and animals, old people too. Give them some thought in whatever you do. Have a good time, but stay well aware. Think what you do and show that you care. I rather like that poem because I think it's really important that we remember that whilst we're having fun, it might not be fun for some others. Things like pets. Animals, they can be quite frightened because they don't really understand what's going on. They might hear the loud noises but not see the beautiful colours in the sky, and so it can be very confusing for them. So you need to think about making sure that your pets aren't frightened. We have to make sure that we look after them and perhaps give them a little bit more comfort, stroke them a little bit more and soothe them a little bit more at this time. And don't forget also that fireworks, whilst they look very pretty, they are based on fire, so they can be quite dangerous. If you use a sparkler, remember to hold it properly and remember to dispose of it properly too. I hope that those of you who are going to a fireworks event enjoy your fireworks, but I hope you do so thinking about the health and safety of others. We can always enjoy ourselves when it comes to Bonfire Night, but the fact is, what is enjoyable to us might be frightening or annoying to some. So think about some people who you know who may be worried about fireworks. Remember those pets and think about keeping yourself safe. Whatever you do for fireworks night, enjoy it and be safe. Thank you for listening.